Done drinking the bubbler. Let's go. Surfer. Surfer buddy. Waves are looking pretty good today, everybody. Pretty darn good. Oh, there's our buddy's car. He's out there, one of them surfers we were watching. He's a crack up, got a teenager he's raising, 13-year-old. And here we are back at the bookstore on wheels. Yay! Down and get your book champion, everybody. It's here, ready for you. Kids love it. Kids of all ages, 3.5 to 92. Love the store champion. MilesCobbett.com. Any bookstore on planet Earth, put in the name Miles Cobbett, and you can get it, or come find us here at Dog Beach, Ocean Beach. Talk to you later, everybody. Bye. Say bye, Suze. Bye.